So in this video, you'll learn how to scan for viruses on your Samsung Galaxy A56. So start by opening the Settings app. Then you want to scroll and select Device Care. Under Device Care, tap on App Protection, and then you want to ensure that it's been turned on. The next step when it comes to scanning for viruses is to select the option Scan Phone and wait for it to scan through any apps and files that you currently have on your A56 as it tries to look for viruses. You might need to wait patiently based on how many apps and files you currently have on your phone. Once the process is complete, you should see a list of details appearing on your phone screen. If you have any threats that have been detected, you'll be given a list of the threats and where they've been found, as well as the measures you're going to take in order for you to get rid of them. But currently, as you can see, I have no threats detected on my device, which means that my phone is free from any viruses and malware. And so that's how you can scan your phone for viruses. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.